UMLA ka amlaram ba Lahkmen Rymbui ula pentip hayeng dorbar halor ka jinglip Bording kha haka constituency jong khamtam haki benta jong ka bakur dauki bat kumju hadarang. UMLA ula pentip ru baman ka Miet kipat ba kateka Thaiñ ki haban Bamja Miet Khlem Bording bat kumta kani ka kta bha nalor ba kadeka Thaiñ ka babun bha kinong wan jong kai perthei kiwan.
Question number 37. Minister in charge to reply, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 37. A and B, sir, majority of the areas under Amlarem subdivision and Bakur Dauki Darang areas experiences heavy rainfall, thunderstorm and strong winds, leading to snapping of conductors and falling of trees on lines, as most of the line passes through plantation areas like betel nut leaves, banana, bamboo, etc. In addition, planned shutdowns are also taken on the need basis to facilitate undergoing system improvement works under RDSS, loss reduction works, etc. C, yes sir. D, sir, 16 numbers. E, yes sir.
You may ask your question by Lahkmen. Rymbui, please.
Sir, in urban areas, we are longing to have the candlelit dinner. But in my constituency, sir, every evening we used to have a candlelit dinner. So this is the problem in the border area, where frequent power cut is there. May I know from the minister that what are the measures is taken to help reduce this power cut in that area?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am totally agreed with honorable member from Amlarem. I have captured the data also. And from the month of April 2025, the number of interruptions is quite high. One of the reasons is because of the connectivity given at Land Port Authority from Soka substation to Tamabil. That was under construction and it is completed by July. I do hope that with this, the problems will be minimized. Moreover, a lots of steps has been taken to rectify, not only in Amlarem, but other areas also, sir. But this is regarding Amlarem. We have taken RDSS loss reduction, where we are taking up work almost on 12 localities that villages and all these things that it includes around 61 localities. So this loss reduction work will be having ST line construction, then ST line reconductoring, LT to ST line conversion, LT line reconducting with AB cables, then DT and installation. There will be around 3163 kVA distribution transformer and 2500 kVA transformer. One of the another reason was there are 3 substations in that region. Out of these 3 substations, only 1 substation at Shoka was having control room. Other 2 substations were not having control room. Due to that, whenever these were unmanned and control through dropout fuse method, so whenever there is any problem there, it goes back and ultimately the 132 by 33 kV substation at Mustam is also disrupted. So we are taking care of to see that Amlarem station is having a switch yard, and we are working on that. By December, I think the work will be completed. Later, we'll be taking on the Sindai substation also. We have already proposed for system upgradation. With that, I think that problem also will be mitigated, sir. Then there are many bare conductors which passing through the forest area then Arakanat areas and all these things, especially 33 kV and 11 kV lines. And we are covering this one with medium voltage covered conductors. That also mitigate the problem there. There is also shortfall of manpower. That is also we are looking after. And we do hope that very soon we will be putting around 7 linemen that is required in these areas. So after taking up all these issues, the power problem, distribution problem in Amlaram area, so also other areas will be minimized, sir.